press pause at the moment. Not expected to last long. You'll have to wake up soon.
So
You'll be racing.
Maria. It's always a great week.
Well, not a breath of wind, which is a complete change for the rest of the week, but great conditions from the east, and fortunately for the medal race day, this often happens in sailing, the wind's shut off for us, which in a way handed us a bit of an easy victory, so you don't always complain when you're in our position. But yeah, it has been a really successful week generally. I think Skandia have done a good job. They've upped the ante of it and made probably of all the World Cup events this one really stand out.
Yeah, it's a shame we were down here in Weymouth and the winds haven't really blown today, so medal races have been cancelled. But that means that I finished second overall in the RSX Women, so I'm pretty happy with that.
It was tough for sure, because racing here was pretty tricky. The wind wasn't so stable and so easy to sail. So everybody was having sometimes great moments, sometimes quite messy. And I kept on going from the first day to the last day quite steady, and all races mostly in top 5-6 places. Just yesterday I messed up one, but that doesn't matter because it's one discard. So I was just waiting for other guys to make mistakes, and they all did, like I was expecting. So at the end it turned out really well for me.
Enough wind there, but you can see that bunch heading towards the bottom of the screen. But I'm looking at the boat at the top, Ian Barker, heading off to the right-hand side, and that looks a good angle to me.
Yes, it's not bad. My hunch is that the left-hand side of the course is going to pay, so the boat sailing at the bottom of the screen at the moment should be better off. But I've been...
Ahead.
That's right, but if they stay at 7th or 8th, and if Paul Brotherton...
something went wrong for them down that running leg. Is there any way we can get over to Weymouth Mark?
Fretting on shore and drinking coffee, wondering what the day would bring, of course. Nathan and Ian had already won the gold medal. So Nathan and Ian, the Olympic venue for the next Olympic.
Yeah, you need to stay right, Rick, because this one's tight. Andrew, are you talking to me, Helen? Andrew, the leader, has just gone round the leeward mark again. I don't know if that means this isn't the finish. Sarah.
Yeah, oh, it's brilliant really. Last year we won, so basically our goal this year again was to medal here again, but ultimately win, and we've gone out there and done it, which is good for us to medal in or win in the Olympic venue leading on to 2012.
Hey Matt, they've got a flag up for no. It's AP flag. Is that AP? Is that AP, Rick? Andrew, it looks like they put the AP flag up. They put the AP flag up. Confirm.
How are you feeling now?
Yeah, good. It's a great feeling. It's been a while for me, and I'm finally sort of back to sailing as well as I have been in the past.
So
it's a bit of a shame there was no wind today. It came down here, there was light winds this morning. We could have maybe got a race in, but actually it all disappeared, so it's probably a good call from the race officer. Shame about Mother Nature not being kind to us today. In respect to results, I was in second. I was wanting to fight for the first place today. I didn't get the chance to, but there were other guys who were close behind, so maybe it's a good one. I could have gotten past quite easily as well. So yeah.
This week was great for us both. Brilliant to be racing here on the Olympic waters, having the whole fleet here, having the top 30 probably in the world here. Racing on the Olympic waters is a fantastic opportunity for us, and also for us as a team. Just every day is a big learner for us at the moment, so just moving up all the time is great.